Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Hasibul Alam Monik and I am a current student in Daffodil International University in BBA department. I live in Dhaka in Uttara. I have 4 family members live with me. So Daffodil International University is one of the reputed private university in whole Bangladesh, and it's established 2002 year, and lots of students every year publish their research and graduate in this university. They are very renowned in the whole over the world for this education, and this is the very smart city in Ashulia and Daffodil International University. There are more and more department, for example CSC, BBA, tourism, NSU, lots of department students educated in this university. Almost 30,000 plus running student in this university, and this university provide lots of facilities to the students. For example, a good education, characteristics, world class library, computer lab, science lab, tournament, garden, everything this university provide their students for their good future. And also our teachers, our Daffodilian family, they are provide a best behavior and character. This is very important as a human being. And Daffodil International University recently ranked second in whole Bangladesh. This is the one of the greatest news as a students in my university. Already most of the time finished my university times. I am coming very joysticks and very happiness in my university life, and I thank to my teachers, my faculty, all over the member, and I am very grateful to the university. I love it. Thank you very much.